Welcome back, guys. Benjamin Sims is not here, he's on holiday, so we're gonna get some work done.
Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid.
So what we're going to do is get rid of this, see this big patch here. So that's actually all Kikuyu in the tiff tuff. So the reason it's coming here is because there's a heap of Kikuyu behind us here. Look at it. So that's just either blowing in from the wind or when we've mowed it, it's blowing onto the fairway. So we're going to spray it out now. We'll use the weed ones.
We've got Roundup in here.
Glyphosate,
some might call it. Because it's a bit of a windy day, so we thought we'd use these. Plus it's a nice day to just walk around. So there's bits of Kikuyu all around the place. This one here could probably be spot sprayed. It's a bit much for the wand.
Yeah, I might get the bits on the outside of it.
Yeah. So yeah, and we put a bit of pigment in there too so we can see where we're...
Wow, that is thick, bro.
Wow. If you look at old videos, you can see how like brown/white this fairway goes, eh?
Yeah, so I think we only had one frost in this fairway this whole winter, which was on Saturday, which was 4 or 5 days ago now. It's Wednesday. Yeah, and it's only just started getting that purple leaf to it, so that's when it starts going dormant.
We have been spraying pure colour and iron on it though too, which has stopped it for a long time.
It has, but even in town, my lawn I haven't put anything on it, and it hasn't gone dormant yet. Duff spraying doing this whole thing with the wand.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, we'll just do the small sections where we can get to, and then we'll use a knapsack or something and just spot spray this.
So if you do have weeds like Kikuyu or carpet grass, what other weeds are hard to spray out? Paspalum, what's that, the Parramatta grass? All those grassy weeds that are sort of hard to selectively kill, you can do this, especially with warm season grasses, to get rid of it, and then that warm season grass in the spring will take back over when you do a renovation. So that is the plan. We'll do a reno in spring, and these parts will fill back in if it kills some of the tiff tuff. So another way to do this is to spray Tribute a couple of applications, a couple of weeks apart, but it's better to do that in autumn because it won't be taken up to leaf properly. But you can still do it, those type of chemicals don't work as well in the winter time. So it's a little bit too cool to be using Tribute now. Nice. Oh, that is the juiciest bit of Kikuyu I think I've ever seen. It looks like it's been hit by cooch mite. Look at this day. That is a thick daddy.
I reckon they get like that when they're trying to creep through.
Just have a look here, there's a bit of power that's germinated there, but right next to it isn't. So obviously I didn't hit that with the pre-emergent. So that shows how clean this area is of wintergrass.
Pretty crazy how you can miss by that much, how much germinates, eh?
Yeah, I know.
That's a lot.
That's why if you miss strips, you'll see strips of power or winter weeds coming through. We're going to put out some pure colour at the top rate, so 50 ml per 100 metres squared. So what are we, 1500 metres squared here?
Yep, so 750 ml.
Yeah, so 750 ml of pure colour on this. Because it's starting to go dormant, we're going to go the higher rate, keep more colour in it. Bit of iron, bit of seaweed. And yeah, let's go spray it. Let's see the difference with the high rate. So we're just checking these nozzles to see if they're going to block or not. Ooh. Yeah, baby. That one's blocked a bit. Ah! So I'm going to record this application in our new, it's not new, it's been out for about a month or two now. We've got a Lawn Tips app on the website, so you just download it through your browser. It's not an actual application, but it works like an application. Come back, go to the journal. So we'll add a new entry. Today's date, it's a fertilizer. So we'll add the pure colour first. area is 1500 metres squared. We'll go 50 mil. So it says there straight away you need 750 mil of pure colour. So it tells you your rates too when you do that in. So save entry. Can we add more than one? We might need to fix this. Pure seaweed. We're going to go half rate with the seaweed as we don't have, I don't think we have enough product. So we need 3 litres of that. Then the last one, pure iron. So we need 6 litres of that. That's our 3 applications there. So I might actually update that and add the option to put more entries in the one entry. So if you're doing 3 fertilisers that aren't the lawn tips mix, a separate bundle, or you're mixing your own products, you can put them all in one application rather than have 3 separate applications there, because that's annoying, as I've just figured out. So have a look through the app, let us know if you want anything changed or updated or anything that's missing from it. Well, an update 2 days later, it's looking pretty good. So we got a frost the day after we sprayed. I'll put it up on the screen now. It was at the start of the video too. But yeah, we got a pretty decent frost. It covered a fair bit of the fairway, not all of it. But yeah, didn't knock it too much. Luckily we put that colour out. But Taylor came out here yesterday and he sprayed that big patch of Kikuyu with the little hand sprayer. So you can see there he's giving it a good hit. It's probably going to kill a lot of the cooch too. But we'll either plug it or it should come back with the renovation. It's just such a big patch, we didn't want it to overtake too much because it crept a lot last season. So trying to get on it this year. See all these ones, haven't done anything yet, it's only been 2 days. But colour of the fairway is looking pretty good. Especially since we had that big frost. So the frost hit probably down here the worst. So we'll just see if it's changed colour at all. No, it looks pretty good. There's a few patches like just here that were already going dormant before, but still got green shoots in it. I reckon we might get through this winter without this thing going white like last year. Let's have a look at this ryegrass, see what it's doing. So if you watched last week's video, we put out that urea with a bit of pure seaweed and it has thickened up. But I've noticed too that a bit of wintergrass has come through, so hopefully it just dies out when it warms up. Look at this mow, it's doing good stripes. And we have not touched the bunker yet. We'll probably do it when Ben gets back, because he's the operator. Thanks guys for watching, hopefully you enjoyed that. We'll see you next time.